Welcome to this cord cutting and energy reclaiming guided meditation. So every interaction, every conversation, every situation that you still think of and that affects you negatively from your past, well, it affects you negatively, and it will continue to do so unless you disconnect, let go, and accept. As once you accept everything as it is, as it was, and as it ever could be, well then, my friend, are you truly free. Energetic cords that are attached to you and are still draining you are things which can be removed. And that is exactly what we are now going to do. I strongly suggest that you start with whoever was most influential in your upbringing, in your parental field, be it your mother, your father, whoever it was who impacted you the most whilst you were growing up. And then repeat this exercise for your other parent, and then any previous partners, lovers, best friends, anybody who has impacted your life in a big way. If somebody caused you trauma in the past, and you think about that event and it causes you to feel traumatized once again, it is because there is still an energetic connection in place. That is the energetic connection that will be severed by cutting cords. So go ahead and make yourself comfortable as you begin to take a few deep and mindful breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feeling more and more relaxed with every moment that passes, with every breath that enters and exits. Just allowing for yourself to breathe deeply and mindfully, feeling more and more relaxed as you continue to listen to me. And I would like for you to go ahead and to bring to mind whoever it is that you will be taking this journey with today, whoever it is that you will be cutting cords with, and then reconnecting mindfully chosen and mutually beneficial connections to move forwards with. So you may like to bring up the image within your mind of a TV screen, and as you turn on this screen, you see the image of yourself and the person that you are ready to cut cords with. And I would like for you to take a moment or two to just tune in to the image that you are shown, to raise the colour, the vibrancy, the vitality, to increase the volume, and to notice any important sounds or smells or even tastes that are present as you continue to watch with interest. And I would like for you to focus upon the cord that connects the two of you, and pay interest to where on your body it attaches to you and the colour that it is represented by in relation to a particular chakra, perhaps, as this may present you some information that will allow for a realization why it is that this person still affects you, still seems to limit you. Well, that, my friend, is to come to an end. As you focus upon that cord that connects the two of you, I would like for you to listen to every word as it flows through, knowing that you are guided and protected, supported and connected to the heavens above and the earth below. And go ahead and call in all guides and ancestors, all angels and protectors, spirit animals, your higher self, Source embodied, God, the universe in completion. And as you go ahead and hold out your hand, you notice that your guardian angel is descending towards you from the heavens above, carrying with them your sword of truth. And as you hold out your hand, your sword, your diamond crystalline sword of truth that will cut through anything, is placed firmly within your hand. And as you take hold of it, I would like for you to go ahead and look towards the energetic connection between the two of you once again. I ask that you set the intention to cut through this energetic cord that connects you, knowing that you will recreate a new, mindfully chosen and mutually beneficial connection shortly afterwards. So, my friend, with full conviction, holding your diamond crystalline sword of truth, I ask that you raise it above your head, and when you are ready, with one fell swoop of your sword, cut through that connection that attaches you to that representation of a previous version of yourself, and in doing so free yourself from your past and reclaim all of the energy that is yours. When you are ready, cut, release, sever that connection, feeling as your energy rushes back to you and begins to vibrate and pulsate within every fiber of your entire being, as you feel yourself becoming centered, being able to see clearly the truth of who you are, just as the person opposite you can now see. I would like for you to go ahead and to take a moment or two to clean the connection points that the previous cord connected you. And then go ahead and choose to reconnect a new cord between the two of you. One that is elastic in nature, so spans all time and space. And one that connects you from your heart center to theirs. A connection of unconditional love that is mutually uplifting and beneficial. As you allow for a deep realization to wash over you. No longer will you view that person through the eyes that you did. No longer will they see you as your previous self. You now have the opportunity to create anew a relationship that is mutually uplifting and beneficial for both of you. One that is formed today as the two fully actualized adults you are. No connection to the past, only to the gift of this present moment. And taking a few minutes just to allow for all of the energy to fully settle back in. The energy that is yours, that you have called back to you and are continuing to accept into you. So that whilst you sleep tonight, having the sweetest of dreams all night, your energy will be fully restored, so that when you rise to meet tomorrow, the whole world would have changed in such a beautiful, powerful, and beneficial way. Thank you for taking this incredibly powerful, transformative, and liberating journey with me. I do highly advise that you repeat this process again over the next few days for all of the major characters in your life: your parents, your family, your lovers, your friends, everyone. Be it a positive or negative relationship. Cut energetic cords, freeing yourself from past viewpoints and experiences so that you can mindfully choose to reconnect and only accept interactions, relationships, conversations that are mutually uplifting and beneficial. Cutting cords is something that I have found beneficial to do at least twice in every new moon. Every week or couple of weeks, return to this process and disconnect from whatever it is that has perhaps negatively affected you. Have the most amazing rest of today. And until we connect again, all my love, support, and appreciation. Namaste.